Hi, welcome to the final video of our overview series of 4 videos covering the software non-functional assessment process. We are going to review some of the high points from the first 3 videos and then give you some additional information that you can take with you. And with that, let me share my screen and we will begin. Software user requirements, represented up here, can be broken down into 2 categories: software functional user requirements and software non-functional user requirements. Software functional user requirements are measured by IFPUG in terms of function points. Software non-functional user requirements are measured by IFPUG, mostly measured by IFPUG, by SNAP points. Functional user requirements describe what the software will do, and non-functional user requirements describe how the software will do it. In IFPUG, functional user requirements are external inputs, external outputs, external inquiries, internal logical files, and external interface files. Referring to the last slide, functionality is measured by function points and non-functionality is measured mostly by SNAP points, but function points and SNAP points cannot be simply added together. Remember, function points measure what the software will do, SNAP points measure how the software will do it. You cannot add what and how together. For example, a software new development project may have a count of 500 function points and 300 SNAP points, but it does not have a count of 800 X points of some kind. The total size of the software would be expressed as 500 function points and 300 SNAP points. The SNAP point methodology is published in the IFPUG Software Non-Functional Assessment Process, SNAP, Assessment Practices Manual, Release 2.4. That provides the rules on how to size 4 categories and 14 subcategories of non-functional software user requirements. It provides definitions and well over 100 examples, and it supplements the IFPUG Function Point Counting Practices Manual. Here are the SNAP 4 categories and 14 subcategories. There may be other types of non-functionality that are not accounted for by SNAP, but SNAP accounts for these 4 categories and 14 subcategories. And we expect that SNAP will adapt to new technologies, both software and metrics technologies, over time, just as function points have since they were introduced back in 1979. The amount of effort to develop the functionality in the software is the total number of function points times the function point productivity rate, which may be a certain number of function points per day or per week or per hour, or however your organization chooses to do it. The SNAP point productivity rate is probably going to be different than your function point productivity rate. So take the number of SNAP points, multiply it by your SNAP point productivity rate, and you'll have the work effort for the non-functional effort, for the non-functional portion of the effort to develop your software. Including both function points and SNAP points improves the quality of software forecasting and software auditing. Now, all methods in this presentation, these 4 videos, represent that of the International Function Point Users Group unless otherwise stated. Please also refer to the following publications from both ISO and IEEE. This is the ISO Trial Use Standard for Software Non-Functional Size Measures, which is SNAP, and the IEEE Standard for Software Non-Functional Sizing Methods, which is also SNAP. See this link here for more information about SNAP and to be able to get a free copy of the SNAP manual as a download. Visit the new IFPUG Learning Center at ifpug.org for more information regarding software metrics. We hope that the first 4 videos here have been informational for you and enjoyable to listen to and to watch. And good luck on your software metrics program, and I strongly encourage you to include non-functional software metrics, which are standardized internationally in your program.